Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. You're shopping for a new range. You don't know the difference between a slide-in or a freestanding range. We're going to go over some feature benefits and a little bit of the differences, and then ultimately it will allow you to make the best possible decision for you and your family. So this is a freestanding electric range. And why it's called the freestanding is because it's going to have a back guard on it. It's going to have side panels that are finished, even though most ranges now have finished side panels. But originally, 15, 20 years ago, some ranges didn't have finished side panels. But on an electric range, you're going to have knob controls for our burners as well as our oven control. On a gas range, you'll have oven controls on your back guard, and then you'll have knobs across the front as a safety feature so that you're not reaching over an open flame. Now on a slide-in range, we're not going to have a back guard that rises up very far. This is actually just a trim, which allows the heat from the oven to escape and also allows air for some of your controls below the top. Okay, so you do need to get some air moving so as to not prevent overheating. On a slide-in, all of the controls are going to be on the front. Okay, so you're not going to have anything on the back. Everything's across the front for easy access. Plus, the nice thing about having this low trim is that if you have tile or if you want to have something decorative behind the range, you can do that. The other nice thing is if you have, let's say, a low hood, or if the microwave, if you have an over-the-range microwave and that sits a little lower, it's much, much easier to get to these front controls versus controls in the back, especially if you have a microwave that's right above it. In terms of oven sizes, the slide-in and freestanding are going to be very, very similar. There's not going to be much difference in the size of the ovens. You will probably be able to have a lot more choices in terms of price ranges. Actually, not probably, you will. You will have less expensive range options when you do a freestanding versus a slide-in. So keep that in mind. There is a pretty decent price difference across model options between a freestanding and a slide-in. So that's something to consider. Various manufacturers are going to offer those. All the mainline manufacturers, GE, LG, Whirlpool, Samsung, Frigidaire, KitchenAid, they're all going to offer these various options between slide-in and freestanding. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Always go to our website, donsappliances.com, and you can see what's in stock for immediate pickup or delivery.